There are many materials through which you are not able to see at all. These materials are called opaque. Wood, cardboard, and metals are examples of opaque materials. The materials through which objects can be seen but not clearly are known as translucent. Butter paper and frosted glass are examples of translucent materials. Look at figure 6.5. Identify and label the nature of materials used by Gulan A, Sita B, Sara C, and Sita's brother D. Activity 6.6. Let us classify. Classify the following objects as transparent, translucent or opaque in table 6.4. 6.3.4. What is soluble in water? What is not? Gulan was sweating when he came home after playing in the evening. He was feeling tired and thirsty. Gulan's mother mixed a spoonful of sugar, a pinch of salt, and some lemon juice in a glass tumbler of water and offered him this sikanji, lemonade, to drink. Gulan noticed that while his mother was mixing sugar and salt in water, the salt and the sugar disappeared. After a while, let us try a simple activity to explore how different materials behave when we mix them in water.
Activity 6.7.
Activity 6.7.
Let us explore. Collect small amounts of sugar, salt, chalk powder, sand, and sawdust. Take 5 glass tumblers and fill them about 2/3 with water. Put a teaspoonful of sugar in the first glass tumbler, salt in the second one, chalk powder in the third, sand in the fourth, and sawdust in the fifth glass tumbler. On stirring, what will happen in each case? Use a spoon to stir well. The contents of each glass tumbler. Wait for a few minutes. And watch what happens. Write down your observations in table 6.5. Table 6.5
6.5.
Mixing different materials in water.
Mixing different materials in water.
Material.
Materials.
Prediction.
Prediction.
Will disappear in water.
Will disappear in water.
Will not disappear in water.
Will not disappear in water.
Observation.
Observation.
Disappears in water.
Disappears in water.
Does not disappears in water.
Does not disappear in water.
Sugar.
Sugar.
Salt.
Salt.
Chalk powder.
Chalk powder.
Sand.
Sand.
Sawdust.
Sawdust.
Any other.
Any other.
You might have noticed
You might have noticed
that some materials
that some materials
completely disappear
completely disappear
when mixed in water.
when mixed in water.
We say that
We say that
these materials dissolve in water, or
these materials dissolve in water, or
in other words,
in other words,
they are soluble in water.
they are soluble in water.
Figure 6.6a.
Figure 6.6a.
Some materials do not mix with water
Some materials do not mix with water
and do not disappear
and do not disappear
even after we stir them
even after we stir them
for a long time.
for a long time.
These materials are insoluble in water.
These materials are insoluble in water.
Figure 6.6b.
Figure 6.6b.
Water plays an important role
Water plays an important role
in the functioning of our body
in the functioning of our body
because it can dissolve
because it can dissolve
a large number of materials.
a large number of materials.
Does everything you put in water disappear?
Does everything in water
Make your own ORS.
make your own ORS?
ORS,
ORS.
oral rehydration solution,
Rehydration solution
is used to treat dehydration
is used to treat dehydration
due to diarrhea
due to diarrhea
or other illness.
or other illness.
These ready-made ORS packets
ORS packets
are available in primary health centers
are available in primary health centers
and also in the market.
and also in the market.
Each packet is dissolved
Each packet is dissolved
in a liter of water before use.
in a liter of water before use.
If these are not available,
If these are not available,
ORS can be prepared at home
ORS can be prepared at home
by mixing 6 teaspoons of sugar
by mixing 6 teaspoons of sugar
and half a teaspoon of common salt
and half a teaspoon of common salt
in 1 liter of boiled and cold water.
in 1 liter of boiled and cool water.
Do liquids like oil,
Do liquids like oil,
vinegar and honey
vinegar and honey
dissolve in water
dissolve in water
explode?
explode?
What about the gases present in water?
What about the gases present in water?
Some liquids get completely mixed with water.
Some liquids get completely mixed with water.
Some do not mix with water
Some do not mix with water.
and from a separate layer.
And from a separate layer,
When left undisturbed
when left undisturbed
for some time,
for some time,
similarly,
similarly,
some gases are soluble in water,
some gases are soluble in water,
whereas others are not.
whereas others are not.
For Oxygen gas dissolved in water. It is very important for the survival of animals and plants that lives in water. 6.3.5 How heavy or light? Activity 6.8 Let us measure. Let us take three identical paper cups or bowls. Fill each cup half with the provided materials. Fill one with water and mark it as A. Second with sand and mark it as B. And the third with pebbles and mark it as C. Predict which one would be heavier and which one would be lighter. Weight each cup using a balance. Figure 6.7 and record the reading in your notebook. Compare the data and infer which is heavier or lighter. From activity 6.8, we can say that any object which is heavier or lighter can be measured in terms of a property called mass. The one which is heavier has more mass and the one which is lighter has less mass. Weight is sometimes used in common language for mass as it is determined by weighting. You will learn more about mass and weight and their relation in higher classes. 6.3.6 Space and volume. Next day, Madam Vidya enters the class. All the students stand up to greet her. She reciprocates and deliberately says, please keep your bags on your seat and sit down. Students are not able to sit because bags are kept on their seats. Madam Vidya asks, why are you not sitting? The student reply that there is no place to sit because the bags had occupied the space. Continuing the conversation, she provides two identical glass tumblers to two students and encourage them to pour the remaining water from their drinking water bottles into the respective glass tumblers. On pouring water in the glass tumblers, the student observed that one glass tumbler get half filled with water. Figure 6.8a. While the other is almost completely. filled with water. Figure 6.8b. Why is the level of water different in the two tumblers? Madam Vidya elaborate that both tumblers have the same capacity. The water levels differ in each case, which indicates that the amount of water in each tumbler is different. The water in the first tumbler occupies less space, indicating that the volume of water in this tumbler is less than the water in the other tumbler. The space occupied by water represented volume. Why was I not able to transfer water from the jug into an empty water bottle completely? Now I know the reason behind it. You may have noticed drinking water bottles of different sizes being sold in the market. Have you noticed 1 liter? Have you noticed 1 L? Have you noticed 1 liter? 500 ml, 200 ml, etc. Written as net quantity on the bottles. These indicate the volume of water in the bottles. Now you have become familiar with many properties of materials. However, all materials do not possess all these properties. 6.4. What is matter? Mass and volume are two properties that are possessed by all materials. Can we give a general name to anything that possesses these two properties? Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. The mass gives the quantity of matter. And the units to measure it are gram, G, and kilogram, kg. The space occupied by matter is its volume. The units to measure the volume are liter, L, and millimeter, ml, and milliliter, ml.
आंशिका वो करा दो क्वेश्चन और तुम लोग एक साथ बोलो बॉयज.
Are there any properties which can be shown by all materials? If yes, what are those? Kilogram is the unit of mass in the International System of Units. SI. Kilogram is abbreviated in lowercase as kg. There is no space between K and G in kg. and no full stop after the symbol
and no full stop after the symbol
except at the end of a sentence.
except at the end of a sentence.
While writing the mass,
While writing the mass,
always leave a space between the number,
always leave a space between the number,
numerical value,
numerical value,
and the unit.
and the unit.
For example,
For example,
if we have mass of 7 kilograms,
if we have mass of 7 kilograms,
it would be written as 7 kg
it would be written as 7 kg
and not as 7 kgs.
and not as 7 kgs.
Similarly, liter is abbreviated as capital L
Liter is abbreviated as capital L
and millimeter as ml.
and millimeter as ml.
There is no space between m and L
There is no space between m and l
in ml.
in ml.
For example,
For example,
if you have 500 milliliters of water,
if you have 500 milliliters of water,
it would be written as 500 ml.
it would be written as 500 ml.
M will be in lowercase
M will be in lowercase
and L will be in uppercase.
and L will be in uppercase
And L will be in uppercase.
and L will be in uppercase.
The SI unit for volume
The SI unit for volume
is cubic meter,
is cubic meter,
abbreviated as m cube.
abbreviated as m cube.